Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're constantly chasing after your money, trying to make ends meet? Well, I've got a solution for you. It's called the Lunar app, and it's changing the way people manage their finances. Imagine having a personal financial assistant, always available at your fingertips, helping you make smarter financial decisions. That's what the Lunar app offers. But what exactly is it, and how can it benefit you? What is Lunar? Lunar is a modern, digital banking platform that goes beyond traditional banking. It's designed to simplify your financial life and empower you to take control of your money. Think of it as your financial superpower. Key features of Lunar. Personalized budgeting. Lunar helps you create and track budgets that align with your goals. No more guessing games about where your money is going. Smart savings. Set aside money for specific goals like a vacation, a new car, or even your dream home. Lunar makes saving easy and rewarding. Investment opportunities. With Lunar, you can invest your money in a variety of options, from stocks and bonds to ETFs. It's a simple and accessible way to grow your wealth. Mobile payments. Say goodbye to cash and cards. Lunar offers convenient mobile payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Financial insights. Lunar provides you with personalized insights into your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you can save money. How Lunar works. Getting started with Lunar is simple. You can download the app from your app store and sign up for an account. Once you're in, you can connect your existing bank accounts to Lunar. From there, you can start using all the features the app has to offer. Benefits of using Lunar. Increased financial control. Lunar puts you in charge of your finances, giving you the tools you need to make informed decisions. Simplified budgeting. No more complicated spreadsheets or manual calculations. Lunar simplifies budgeting and helps you stay on track. Smart savings. Achieve your financial goals faster with Lunar's easy-to-use savings features. Investment accessibility. Lunar makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. Convenient mobile payments. Enjoy the convenience of contactless payments with Lunar. Real-life examples. To give you a better idea of how Lunar can benefit you, let's hear from some real users. Insert testimonials or case studies from Lunar users. The Lunar app is more than just a digital bank. It's a financial partner that empowers you to take control of your money. With its personalized features, smart savings tools, and investment opportunities, Lunar can help you achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. If you're ready to simplify your finances and take control of your money, download the Lunar app today. It's a game changer that will transform the way you think about money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and investing.